Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 6. Let's see how to apply mascara and how to apply false lashes. Let's focus on the bases. Here I've chosen one of mascaras I have at home and I will show you the best application. So to apply your mascara, look up, place the wand at the base of your upper lashes and wiggle it back and forth, coating the base of your lashes. Then pull the wand upward towards the tip of your eyelashes, making sure you're coating every part of your lashes as you pull through and moving slowly to avoid clumping. If mascara dries on your skin, we will see it together. You can use a Q-tip to clean it up with a bit of non-oily makeup remover, but also without any kind of makeup remover. You will remove it very easily. Okay, now we're going to see how to apply false lashes. You will need tweezers like this and also the glue. Duo is the best glue in the world for me. And false lashes. If you need to cut, because it depends on how long your eyelid is, just cut usually at the end of the lash, not at the start. Put the glue, more glue at the end and at the start of the false lashes. Take your tweezers and let it dry for usually 30 to 60 seconds. It depends on the glue. You will need, of course, a mirror. So you have to take the false lashes, put your mirror down so you can see the down part of your natural lashes. This is the first application. Okay, let's do the same thing for the other eye. Always help yourself with tweezers. This is a really precise tweezer. It really helps me a lot. Then press everything with your fingers to adjust the shape, and that's the final result. Of course, you can choose different styles of false eyelashes. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!